Hello guys, happy New Year 2014. I was just try to tell you that the beginning of the year you will see changes. Okay, changes is always made by big like mutual funds. They will drop some losers, some stocks that companies that are losers, that they don't lose money with them, and they will buy others. So in this time, try to make close attention to some industries. So I don't know them, so I'm searching like you will be searching now. If you have bought my book and you download the chart, it will be very easy, as I showed you before. I don't know why people they still struggle, especially beginners, and they go to websites, ugly websites, and charts. I don't know how these charts are, and they begin to search like this. It's total confusion. Now, if you opt for my chart, it's clean. I like the black background. I like colors, and you have sectors and indices in your hand. In each industry you have stocks, so you just browse when you have time. Now you find some stocks that are good, just put them in a portfolio. You can put hundreds of stocks in this chart, and this chart is free. It's not, you don't pay anything. So, and whenever you find that, according to my strategies, okay, so sometimes when you are searching alone, I see things that you don't see. Why? Because you are a beginner, and most of the time you don't have strategy to follow. You just, if you are just following news, websites, stories about companies, investing for the long run, and you go to websites, and you, maybe some people they told me what about they asked me about membership. I say, membership? Why you give $65 for stocks that are free? I don't understand some people what they're doing. If those websites, they know that these stocks will go up, they will never give it to you. Believe me, it's money. No one will give money for free to other people, except for the beginners. I told you before that they do charity, but for the wrong people. They give money when they lose. They give money as a charity to the wealthy and to the rich. Okay? And you know, Wall Street guys and big hedge funds, they are very, very happy when you give them money for free, and they don't even say thank you to you. Okay? You just give them the money and they are silent. Okay? So it's the time where you should track industries. Okay, don't go to industries that have a very, very long trend and excellent trend for 1 year or two, because those generally they don't stay like this, and maybe we'll have a pullback which will be very, very big, because mutual funds, they move, they change the stocks. It's beginning of the year, they change the stocks. The losers, they lose more money because they drop them, and those that are excellent, they can leave some of them, and they can change some of them. Okay, for example, a stock that gives, for example, 1 year, they wait 1 year 10%, but others they give 70%, 100%, 200%. Okay, this because no one knows which stock will go up. So the only thing you can do is, when you buy, to a strategy, and then you wait. Okay, and then you wait, and then you will see the strong stocks emerging. Now you drop all the others, and you just keep those that are strong, 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, depends on how much money you have, what kind of stocks you can buy. Okay, so in this beginning of the year, take close attention to sectors, industries, and begin from now making your watch list. Any stock that gives you a signal, especially those who use my strategy, just buy, don't think that much, and buy the first day, as my strategy says, the first day, the last hour of the day. You see the signal, buy and put your stop loss. If it goes so strong, that is the money. That are what we call the leaders. Those stocks that in few days, few weeks, you can make tons of money. Okay? And I was always astonished. When a stock goes down and the company is losing money, I find people, they are attracted to this stocks. You will see, if you are going long, it means you buy in order to see that the stocks appreciate in price, what we call capital gain. You should see the strong stocks to go up. You don't see the weak ones to become strong. Why don't you take one that it is that shows you that is strong and you follow it? Okay? You are following the weak because they lose money. You think they will go up and they do miracle. It happens in the past, but those are few. But those stocks that go up, there are a lot. Okay, if you search an industry that it is going up, I will show you in another video in a practice. I showed you before, but I will show you again how almost all the stocks in the same industry go so high and they gain 100%, 300, 200 in 1 year. I give you one example which in 1 year and a half it goes 1600%, and it is not a penny stock. People, they think, oh, it goes so high, it's a penny stock, and you give us a penny stock. I don't give you a penny stock because I don't believe in them, and I don't trade them. Okay, it's so risky. So I don't make my money a cake or bread for the rich. Never. Okay, I don't give my money. I don't gamble that much. So I hate gambling. I would try to do business, to buy in order to make money, not to give them all my money and at night they short it. It was $10, in the morning you find it $1 and you lose all your money. When you lose all your money, you don't do nothing because you will be broke, and you shut your account down and that's it, and you become crying and whining all your life. And when they ask you what about stock market and trading, oh, you say, those guys, Wall Street, they took my money, they steal me, they are all scammers, and you become blaming other people. You don't blame yourself. You should blame, the only one who blame is yourself, because you put yourself in a situation where they steal your money and you are looking at your money going. They are stealing it and the hands are shown. If you see a strong guy shorting the stock, and you see each day the stock is going down by 5%, 10, 15, 20%, 30%, and you stay in the stock. What are you doing? You give them your money for free? Okay? So you should use your reason. Stop thinking about your heart. Leave your heart for your friends, for your wife, your kids, your singers. You just give them feelings, love, and other stuff. But you are here, stock market, to trade, to make money. You should use the only thing you use is your brain. If you don't have a brain, okay, no problem with that. If you have no problem, it will be a problem. It will be a double problem. Okay? So I am sure that you have a brain, but make it work. Okay, make your brain work. Your brain should work in order to make money in the market. If you use your heart to trade, someone told you, oh, this stock, it's a very nice company, it has a unique product, the management is good, all the stores are nice. Okay, when you go to the stores, you find excellent customer service. Okay, the earnings double each year, all perfect fundamentals. But you go to the stock, you find it going down, and those guys online or on TV shows, they ask you to buy it. You ask them the question, the stock is going down, how can I buy something down, and if I'm going wrong? They tell you, oh, okay, no problem, just buy, the stock will go up one day. Now, when is this one day? After 20 years, after 100 years, after I die, and then the stock goes up? I don't need it at that time. Okay, I need it now. Okay, I need it today. It goes up, I buy it. It goes up tomorrow, next day, 1 week, 2, 3, 1 month, 2 months. I make money. This is what I want. I want now. Okay, I don't want something in the long future. No one knows. In 2300, the stock will go up. It is not what I want. For me, I want something that it is now, to make money now, and in the near future, few days, few weeks, for a month. Okay, because no one knows if you are still alive or you die. No one knows. You live only your day, as I do the video. Okay, forget the past. The past is gone. You can change the past. The only thing you can change is now. You live now, you change now, you do now. If it is now in the future, you plan for it. But you don't know if you succeed or not. So you just plan, which is very good. At least you know where you're going. You have goals in your life. You don't just go like this, without goals, without anything. Okay? So this is all for this video. In order to sum it up is, search now. Check. In the near future, you begin to see some stocks going up very quick. Some stocks go down very quick. Why? Because some mutual funds begin to drop some companies. They just sell them because they are not good. They don't have too much money. Okay, and they change their stocks. You know, as you know, mutual funds, they buy a lot of stocks, and from the average, you will have the percentage of performance. Okay, 10%, 50%, 20%, 30%, depending on the year, depending on the manager himself or herself, because the manager decides which stocks goes into the portfolio. Now, if you buy a mutual fund, you are with him or with her. Whatever percentage you have is what the mutual fund have. Okay, so thank you very much for your for listening and for watching the video. If you have any questions, just ask. Thank you.